Alright, boys, look at this. Old Milwaukee's Ice, Roman candles, taped to it. What do we got? Looks like a rocket, boys. Alright, let's try it. What's gonna happen? It's gonna be a great time. Cheers, boys. There's that.
This is gonna be.
This is gonna be good. We're gonna need to get them both lit at the same time here.
Off to the hospital.
Back to the hospital, boys. Oh.
Someone's gonna catch fire. What are you doing? It's a mild stunt on his standards. Oh, car just blows up. There it is. Good.
Cheers, boys! Look at that!
Another one for the record books. Another mild stunt.
Cheers, guys. It worked. It worked, boys. So cheers to that. Roman candle shotgun. It's fucking awesome, boys. Try it. Look at that. It works great. It works so good.
Like I said, you can still go to Boston if you want.
Cheers, boys. And as of this,
I'm not going about this.
fuck it. Cheers, motherfuckers. Have a good one. It's stunt day. It's Metal 40, the stunt king. Scum forward. Cheers, boys.